Well, guys, I was driving through town today, and I run up on this this little scooter somebody had out by the trash, and I thought, this might be something good for the grandson. So I thought I might take a few minutes and see if I could fix it. What I have found, I was going to check the switch, and it looks to me like the switch on it is fine. Yeah, the switch is fine. But what I had run into, it looked like maybe somebody back here on the back. Let me grab a tool here. It looked like maybe somebody had grabbed the tool or had got in a little bit of a hurry and cut a wire. So let me fix this wire back here. Okay. Yeah, it looked like they run it up on something and cut a wire. And when they did, this little motor wasn't getting any power. So this is the motor that drives the rig, and it wasn't getting any power back to it. I've checked the battery already. The battery's fully charged. I'm gonna put a tester on it just to be sure. Put a tester just to be sure that it's operational. Let's see here. Okay. Let's see. Maybe y'all can see the tester here when I check it. See if I got it in there where y'all can see it. Okay. So we'll do a little test on it and see if it's working. Okay, it is hot. The battery's good. So I think we've got this dude fixed. So we'll give it a try for the grandson here in just a little bit. If I can find him some type of helmet. All right, guys, I will get back to you, and we'll see if this runs. Like I say, I'm going to have to charge it a while.
50 miles an hour, you go.
Okay, go ahead. I'm videoing.
Dad, go 3 miles an hour. Before you push the trigger, then you'll be going a speed.
Okay.